There is so much going on here.
I brought you some chicken pot pie.
But I can't eat the pot. What is this? She put chicken nuggets in a terracotta pot with whipped cream on. I can't eat this though. I want to eat it so bad.
You can stick your tongue in it.
What?
You can stick your tongue in it.
Look, can I have the chicken without the pot pie?
Did you want a different kind of pot?
No,
Your
the
pie?
pot's fine. Actually, no. Yeah, one that I can actually put in my, like... Don't try to buy terracotta. Bad idea. But... Chicken...
Pie?
Whipped cream pie. I'm trying to get it out. I have one hand. You're on a roll today. You didn't sleep, so you all night you're like, what kind of genius plans am I coming up with today?
I don't want any piece of your body inside of my mouth. Just back off.
But you sucked on my tongue earlier.
You're dirty and gross.
Wait, whoa.